Hey there, and welcome back to this Excel Masterclass series. I'm Nima, and I help you master Excel the simple and smart way. In this video, we're diving into one of the most powerful parts of Excel, the Insert tab. It's way more than just charts. We're going to uncover all the tools hidden here, from tables and illustrations to dynamic objects that can turn a boring sheet into an interactive dashboard. Let's explore everything step by step. Section 1. Tables and Pivot Tables. Let's start with the most popular option in this tab, Table. When you select a range of data and click on Table, Excel automatically formats it and adds filtering options. Tables make your data smarter. Any new rows or columns are included automatically, and they look great too. Right next to it, we have Pivot Table. This one's a game changer for data analysis. It lets you summarize thousands of rows into a simple drag-and-drop dashboard. If you're working with large data sets, you'll fall in love with Pivot Tables. Section 2. Illustrations. Next, let's move to the Illustrations group. Here you can add pictures from your computer, online pictures from net shapes like arrows, circles, and flowchart components, icons and 3D models, great for making reports visually appealing, and don't forget SmartArt. It's perfect for creating diagrams like organizational charts or timelines without any design skills. Section 3. Charts and Sparklines. Now, let's get visual. The chart group is where magic happens. Column, line, pie, bar, area, and more. Click one and Excel instantly gives you a chart based on your data. There's also Recommended Charts. Excel suggests the best chart type depending on your data set. Try it if you're unsure what to use. Sparklines are tiny charts that fit in a single cell, perfect for tracking trends row by row, like sales performance or monthly changes. Section 4. Add-ins, text, and links. Let's scroll further. Here's where it gets interesting. Add-ins allow you to install extra tools directly into Excel, kind of like apps on your phone. These are great for extending Excel's functionality. Under the text group, you can add a number of useful tools. Text boxes place text anywhere on your sheet. Header and footer for printed documents. WordArt stylized text for design. And finally, we have links. Use this to add hyperlinks to other sheets, documents, or websites. Section 5. Symbols and Equations. Almost done. At the end, we have Symbols and Equations. This section is handy if you're dealing with special characters or need to insert math formulas. As you can see, the Insert tab isn't just about charts. It's a toolbox packed with features that make your data look and feel professional. Make sure to practice these tools in your own sheet. And if you want to master Excel from A to Z, don't forget to check the next videos in this series.